as a skin, they're asking to know they want to plot. The plot basically we want to like a 90s, like year of the 90s, that is x-axis. So my x-axis belongs to that year is it indicates, and price 90s is indicates the y-axis, and the plot is the prices versus of that year. So it is used by some circle marked with 0. Maybe if you like put the star or maybe zeros, then it will show like that only plot. So here first of all, if I want to plot command, I can take plot. So when you type the plot, no, here is a, if you want to 2D plot or maybe 3D plot, like a normal plot, something it will come here. So as of now, I don't like normal plot only. That once you type the command, so it will by default it will show. Like here I'm typing the plot, so I'm taking that year of 90s. Why? Because they're asking that year of 90s here, and at the same time they're asking the prices also. Prices there, price they're asking the 90s, and the plot should be 00. Like I want to, sorry. Maybe next that maybe it is I want to hold on. Then next my plot is year of 00s, but again price also 00s. Then this is I want to again 0 the plot. Now I want to put on hold off. Plot. So I think if I something I done some mistake, it will show that maybe that year or maybe, so where I did mistake. So here is I'm taking that 90s. It is correct 00. It is there. Oh sorry, here I'm taking that I think. Sorry. Instead of I'm very. So this is a plot I am taking here. This is a maybe in the case is a, like a, sorry, I'm typing the 0, that is 1 actually. For example, this is the x-axis, again as I'm told that is the prices, and y-axis is like here. So here is a 0 1 1, like this is the prices is going to increase and decreasing. This is a, like here is a, like from this data, like if you want this kind of the data, you have some in workspace. Same data, if you want to if you select the particular data, for example here is that some year versus year. So here some data is there, like if you want to generate any kind of the data, if year 90s versus of, sorry, year versus of 90s, if you want to generate any kind of the plot, you can generate it in here. Or maybe Australia versus of Germany. If you want to generate any kind of the figure and plot, you can select the particular command in workspace. By because what are the data we are storing here, that it will come with the workspace only. So here it is, this data here it is coming. If you want to, what is the data is in year of 00s. So 2000, 2001, 2002 to 2018. For example, how the data maybe is the year of the 90s. If it is a 92 up to 1999, it is a, this is a, like I indicate is the 90s of the data. If you want to know what is a, like maybe creating that variable in the maybe of a year, so there is a here is a 1992, like up to I have the 2008. This is the data is there. So and that's why up to 1990, then 1990 to 1999 data taking here. If I'm when I'm using the zeros, 2000 data I'm taking here. Why? Because this is zeros indicates. So this is anytime you can what are the plotting and what are the commands you are entering in the command window. The data is going to save on your workspace. That is, it shows the name and what is the value, what the value of that variable and the size of that size also it is showing. That is a class, maybe that is a double or maybe single. The class function also it is shown here in always in workspace. So next one is accessing the multiple element. There is some quizzes there. So maybe whenever you have the free time, you can go through that. You can practice on that. Maybe there is a small quiz is there, 2 to 3 quizzes there.